So we have seen in and out of data mining. We understood about the evolution of data mining and why it is called the data mining. So now let's explore what all techniques that we use in data mining. So data mining and techniques. So data mining is the process of discovering patterns, relationships, and insights from large volumes of data. So it involves applying various techniques and algorithms to extract valuable information and knowledge from the data. So, here are some commonly used data mining techniques. So, the first one is association rule mining. It's the oldest technique of data mining from 1980s, 1980s. So, association rule mining is identifies association rule mining identifies interesting relationships or associations between variables in large data sets. It aims to find frequent item sets and generate association rules that express the dependencies between items. So, the priori algorithm is a popular approach for association rule mining, and under the EDA, exploratory data analysis, we have explored about association rule mining, and we have done one example, one project using a priori algorithm. Okay, you can just watch it there in exploratory data analysis. So then the second technique or the second task that we can do here is classification. Classification, when it comes to the machine learning, it's a supervised learning technique that assigns predefined classes or labels to data instances based on their features. So it builds a model using a trained data set with labeled examples and then predicts the class labels for unseen instances. So examples of classification algorithms include decision trees, logistic regression, and support vector machines (SVM). Okay, so and next technique that we do under data mining is a clustering. Clustering. So clustering is an unsupervised learning technique that groups similar data instances together based on their inherent patterns or similarities. So it helps in discovering the hidden structures and organizing data into meaningful clusters. Algorithms such as k-means, hierarchical clustering, and dbScan are commonly used for clustering analysis, and this also we have done it in EDA. So that's the reason your 80% of data mining is nothing but your EDA. So EDA is similar to data mining. So EDA is a fancy word which were given by data scientists with present day conditions, with present day terminology. Of course, there is a minute differences between EDA and data mining, but still EDA is 80% of your data mining, or EDA is data mining. So next, we have the regression. So regression is a technique used to predict continuous numerical values based on the relationships between independent variables and dependent variable. It aims to estimate the value of the dependent variable given the input features. Linear regression, polynomial regression, and decision tree regression or popular regression algorithms. So what's next for us? So we got it. We have anomaly detection. So anomaly detection involves identifying unusual or abnormal patterns or outliers in data that deviate significantly from the norm. It helps in detecting fraud or anomalies in network traffic or rare events. Techniques like statistical methods, clustering based approaches, and machine learning algorithms, example, one class SVM, isolation forest, are used for anomaly detection. Then we have text mining. Text mining, also known as text analytics, involves extracting useful information and insights from unstructured text data. It includes techniques like natural language processing, sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and text classification to derive meaningful patterns and knowledge from textual information. Then we have the last one, a last technique, that is time series analysis. Time series analysis focuses on analyzing data collected over time to identify patterns, trends, and seasonality. It includes techniques such as moving averages, autoregressive integrated moving average, ARIMA, and exponential smoothing to forecast the future values and understand the behavior of time dependent data. So, these are just a few examples of data mining techniques. The choice of technique depends on the nature of the data, the objectives of the analysis, and the specific problem you're trying to solve. The data mining techniques can be applied individually or in combination to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions based on the data. So that's what is a data mining. So data mining is nothing but it's a subset of machine learning, one thing, and data mining is more, it handles the exploring the data. So that is the reason, as we have discussed earlier, data mining is, it captures and it covers most of the activities that you do in exploratory data analysis. In other way around, the olden days data mining is called as a present day exploratory data analysis, which were the which were adjusted and accommodated to the present day data science fancy terminology. And that's the reason data mining is EDA.